Welcome back, students. Thanks for your huge response for the yesterday's class. That is our first class in the channel Ratnam's Biologenics. And myself, I am Venkat Ratnam Origanti. I completed Masters in Animal Sciences from Hyderabad Central University, the top fourth ranked university in the country. And the purpose of this channel is to train the students in the stream of biology. So here I am planning to conduct two batches, that is foundation batch and the regular batch. The foundation classes from class 7th to class 10th, and the separate class 11th and 12th classes and the regular syllabus. So what is about foundation batch means, I am taking the topics from the class 11th and class 12th biology, and those topics slowly I will train from class 7th to class 10th students. So that will be helpful for them when they will join in the 11th class and when they will choose the stream to get medicine seat. So come back to our class. Yesterday we discussed about the introduction of the cell and what are the differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. And as I told you yesterday in the previous class, today we are going to discuss about the differences between the plant cell and animal cell. The differences between plant cell and animal cell. So while discussing, you can note it down in a separate notes, and you can keep on maintaining the notes. Okay, and first of all we will see the differences in a diagrammatic manner, and then we will go into the point wise manner. Okay, now by drawing you can write at least 6 to 7 points. If you remember the diagram, you can no need to mug up or no need to by heart. So in biology, that much important role plays by diagrams. See here, by seeing this you can observe the first and the most important difference. The plant cell has 2 layers and the animal cell has only 1 layer. This 1 layer is known as plasma membrane or cell membrane, and the outermost layer of the plant cell is cell wall, and inner to that is plasma membrane. Inner to that is plasma membrane, and the most important cell organelle of the cell, which is controlling the functions of the cell, that is nucleus. So we will see how the nucleus is present in these two types of cells. See here, in plant cells the nucleus occupies the peripheral position. That means they are present towards the outside of the cell, not present inside. So, and in animal cell the nucleus is present exactly at the central position. So why this difference came? Because in plant cells we have a cell organelle, that is a vacuole. The single and large vacuole present at the center. That's why the nucleus has moved to the periphery. And in the nucleus we have DNA, and this is nucleus, and this is vacuole. But in animal cell vacuole is present, but there are so many vacuoles and those are very smaller in size. So that's why they cannot push the nucleus to the peripheral side, that means outer side. This is the second important difference. And the third and the most important difference is the presence of plastids. The presence of plastids. That means the most important plastid present in the plant cell is chloroplast. chloroplast. See here, the plastid, most important plastid, that is chloroplast, present in the plant cell. That's why plants are preparing their own food with the help of chloroplasts by the process of photosynthesis. And we don't have such type of plastids. That's why we are dependent on plants for food. Understanding? So we do not have plastids. Okay, and the most important, another most important difference between these two. Here the mitochondria are spherical or oval. Mitochondria are spherical or oval, but here the mitochondria is tubular. Mitochondria are tubular. Tubular mitochondria. These are the most important differences between the plant cell and animal cell. And here one more difference we can see. What is that? The plants can synthesize all types of amino acids, all types of vitamins. They can synthesize, but animal cells cannot synthesize all types of amino acids and all types of vitamins. So, first of all, what is an amino acid? What is an amino acid? And how many types are there? How many types are there? Total how many amino acids are there? We will see. So, there are mainly two types: essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Essential and non-essential amino acids. And we will discuss briefly here and elaborately in the chapter of biomolecules. There we will see the structure of amino acids, each and every amino acid, like that. So here we can synthesize only few types, but plants can synthesize all types of amino acids. That's why while we are having the food which is obtained from the plants, we are getting some types of amino acids and vitamins also. We cannot prepare vitamins in our body. So, for example, if you eat carrot, if you eat leafy vegetables, if you have milk, that means through having the food which is prepared by the other plants, other animals, we are getting the vitamins and some types of amino acids. In ourselves, we cannot prepare vitamins. So, okay, we are taking directly the vitamins from either plants or some types of animals. Okay, this is also one of the most important difference. So, this is diagrammatically, and we will see some points. We will write some points here. First of all, cell wall. Cell wall is present here and absent here. And vacuole, single vacuole and large in size. Large in size. And here numerous vacuoles and smaller in size. So due to that, what is the position of nucleus? Due to the presence of large in sized vacuole, the nucleus is becoming periphery, and here the nucleus is at center of cell. So this is one of the major differences. And here plastids. plastids. That is, here mainly chloroplasts are present, and here the chloroplasts are absent. Getting the point? Okay. And next point, what about mitochondria? Mitochondria, spherical or oval type of mitochondria will be present here, and here tubular mitochondria. And here the most important, another most important point is stored food materials. Stored food material. The plant cell stores the food materials in the form of starch. They will store the food materials in the form of starch. The most important point. And the animal cell stores the food in the form of glycogen. They store the food in the form of glycogen. Getting? These are the most important differences between the plant cell and animal cell. Okay, now we are going into the ultrastructure. We are going the deeper into the parts of the cell. So what are the parts present here in the cell? In cell, we have too many parts are there. Those parts are called as cell organelles. Those are present inside the cells. So what are the cell organelles present inside the cell? We will see. The first one is, for example, if you are taking the plant cell from outer to inner, if you are going, first of all, we can see the cell wall. And second, we can see the plasma membrane. And the third most important is nucleus. Third most important. For example, for a human body, brain is controlling each and every function. When we are taking a single cell, how the actions of the cell is controlled and maintained properly that is by nucleus. Okay, and the fourth one is mitochondria. And the fifth one is chloroplast, and the sixth one is endoplasmic reticulum. And the next one is Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. And eighth one is ribosomes. And next one is lysosomes. And next one is lysosomes. And 10th one is glyoxysomes. Next one is glyoxysomes. And 11th one is microtubules and cilia and flagella also. And finally, there are so many types of plastids, but here we are studying the chloroplast, structure of chloroplast in detail. But there are so many types of plastids in the plant cell. So what are there? First one is chloroplasts, as we discussed earlier, chloroplasts. And second one is chromoplasts. And third one is leucoplasts. So what are those and what are the function of these three different types of plastids? We will see. Okay. See, for example, the cell wall is present in the plant cell. And plasma membrane is present in both plant and animals. Nucleus is present in both plants and animals. Mitochondria present in both plants and animals. And chloroplast is present only in plants. And endoplasmic reticulum present in both plants and animals. Here Golgi apparatus also, and ribosomes, lysosomes, glyoxysomes, all those up to here are present in plants and animals. And here the microtubules, cilia and flagella, mainly they are present in the animal cells. And again this type of plastids are present in the plant cells. Okay, in the next video, how I will teach means, first of all, I will take a cell wall, I will make a video, and plasma membrane, I will make a short video, and nucleus, like that, each and every organelle separately I will explain in a detailed manner, because all the cell organelles from 7th standard to 12th standard, they plays very key role in the main exam. At least 2 to 3 questions directly they will come from the cell organelles or the cell topic. So these topics are very important for the further main NEET exam. Okay, thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, please give me in the comment box. Thank you so much.